The National Electrical Code does not specifically prohibit the installation of conduit over a septic tank. However, the National Electrical Code does require that electrical wiring and equipment be installed in a manner that minimizes the risk of damage or harm. The International Residential Code does not specifically prohibit the installation of conduit over a septic tank either. However, the International Residential Code requires that septic tanks be installed with a minimum of 18 inches of soil cover over the top. Local building codes may have additional requirements for the installation of conduit over septic tanks. It is important to check with the local building department to determine if any specific permits or requirements apply. While not specifically prohibited by code, it is generally considered best practice to avoid installing conduit over septic tanks whenever possible. This is because of the potential for damage. Septic tanks can settle or move over time, which could damage the conduit. It can be difficult to ensure that the conduit has the required minimum cover over the septic tank. If the conduit needs to be repaired or replaced in the future, it will be more difficult to access if it is installed over the septic tank. If it is not feasible to install the conduit upstream of the septic tank, consider the following alternative solutions. Firstly, hand digging under the septic tank. This is the safest option but can be labor intensive. Secondly, installing rigid conduit in a protective sleeve. A protective sleeve can help to protect the conduit from damage if the septic tank settles. A larger conduit size will provide more flexibility for future expansion or upgrades. Considering these points will lead to a safer and more compliant electrical installation near septic systems. Remember to always prioritize safety and adhere to all applicable codes and regulations.